Now, not only is this product a sprayable paint sealant, but it can also be used as a drying aid. It does give you months and months of protection with one single application, and the new version with this hybrid technology, you can actually use this as a quick detailer. So I'm going to show you that today. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric for those of you that are new. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. Now today I want to show you guys and talk to you guys about a little product called H2O Guard Gloss. Now for those of you that are not familiar with this product, it is a sprayable paint sealant that is super easy to use, gives you months and months of protection with just one application. And on the previous video, if you guys remember, I showed you guys that I had somewhere here, there you go, I have some water spotting going on from spot-free rinse water because I took it through a touchless wash, and I want to show you guys how easy it is to use this product. So in order to use this product, you want to make sure first of all that it is turned on, and actually just hit the camera, I'm sure you guys heard that, but you turn it on, give it a little shake, and I just like to use one or two sprays, especially if I'm just going to be using it as a quick detailer. So if you guys see here, I try to get it, it's bad with the, not the camera, but just the lighting conditions right now are not the best. But I have some little remnants of water that would basically collect here on the mirror and then come down if I'm driving. So I have my two sprays on my towel here, and you guys see that those two lines there? Just simply wipe over it. Now you will see like a little haze. Oops, just hit the camera again. You're gonna see like a little slight haze. Just flip your towel and buff off. And now you have a very, very smooth, clean finish, no more contaminants, and you are good to go. Now Guard Gloss is probably one of my favorite products, top 3, maybe even top 2 products from Adams Polishes that they make. And the differences in between the old version of Guard Gloss, which is, I believe, might be still sold somewhere, and the new version, which with the hybrid technology, is the main fact. And the scent is a little bit different, doesn't have that grape scent anymore, and the overall use on it. Dang, the sun is bright. Now, the old version, you could not use it as a quick detailer. The new one you can. This one goes on a lot easier, comes off a lot faster, gives you better hydrophobic properties. It's ridiculous when you go to wash the vehicle, it just hits the paint, falls right off. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, pick a bottle up. I'll put the link in the description below. Just click it, goes right to the website. You can order your kit if you need it, or if you want to just get the bottle, you can. Now, compared to the previous version, aside from those other factors that I told you about, this one doesn't require the use of water. Now, the old one was obviously required water because it is water activated. So is the new one, but it doesn't require water. You can use it dry as a detailer, you can use it as a drying aid, whether it's wet or dry, it doesn't matter. That's what's so truly awesome about this product, is the versatility that it can deliver, and the performance that you get out of it, as well as the durability. So if you guys haven't got one already, make sure to get one, link in the description below. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next one.